Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. Today in this video we will discuss about different names of Android's version. But if we look at all the Android versions have funny names because Google traditionally names its Android releases after sweet treats or desserts in alphabetical order. The naming convention adds a fun and memorable aspect to the release cycle and creates anticipation for each new version. It also provides a playful way for users and developers to refer to different Android versions, making them more engaging and approachable. Additionally, the names often serve as a marketing tool, generating buzz and conversation around each new release. Here are some of the major versions of the Android operating system released over the years. Number 1. Android 1.0 No Codename. Android 1.5 Cupcake. Android 1.6 Donut. Android 2.0 or 2.1 Eclair. (5) Android 2.2 Froyo Frozen Desert. 6th Android 2.3 Gingerbread. 7th Android 3.0, 3.1, 3.2 Honeycomb, primarily for tablets. Number 8. Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich. 9. Android 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 Jelly Bean. 10th Android 4.4 KitKat. 11. Android 5.0 or 5.1 Lollipop. 12th Android 6.0 Marshmallow. 13th Android 7.0 7.1 nougat. 14th Android 8.0 8.1 oreo. 15th Android 9 Pie. 16th is called Android 10, 17 Android 11 and 18 Android 12. Each version introduced new features, optimization and improvement to the Android platform. I hope you have liked this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share this video. Until next time.